We're now going to take you on a four-wheeler ride down to the first waterfall and picnic area, leaving the house. It's about a little over a half mile, or approximately a half mile from here. It's going to be a little shaky. I'm going to hold as steady as I can. Four-wheelers are for slow adult riding only. See the riding next to the creek now. Speed limit sign. There's a sign pointing to where the waterfall, which is across the creek, the bench area, and we'll look back up the creek real quick when I get in it. See the creek running down the other side as we start to enter our fern forest. Fern forest on both sides. Get up the other side, turn left, and back up the creek. The creek is now to our left again. And here we are entering Little Laurel Tunnel. We'll see the light at the end of the tunnel here shortly. Very nice hike as well. And we're probably about halfway back up now. Kind of the halfway point where that arrow is. And here we come, the last stretch is Laurel Tunnel. See, we are on National Forest borders, our property on that side. Also known as Big Laurel Tunnel. And this is the last stretch before going out of the waterfall. Deck area. Pass it. Easier access. So, small fall around our picnic area. Take up a closer in a minute. The road does now continue up to the next deck falls area that I'll take you to in my next video. You'll see all the ribbons on foot from here. See our picnic area. Beautiful Huckleberry Creek, coming crystal clear out of the national forest. Picnic table, got a grill. See a little bench up there to sit, and this is basically the top of the falls area. Nice place to sit and relax. Take a little look at it as we're walking past it. Almost looks like a slide. It's a little too narrow. Yeah, maybe another 100 years. Then this is all privately yours. A little pool area. Relaxing on a hot day. Kind of keeps running down. There's our walkway to our little deck area. The falls up close. A little trickle spring fall coming in from the side. That's coming off the mountain. This is one big rock. There's under our bridge. And on your fall. Flat area there where the kids could go in. Even on the hottest day, I don't think it gets much over 70 degrees. Spend an hour, spend a day. Watch next video for the next area.